In this video, we are going to see how we can get the decal ID or the image ID on Roblox. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So what we actually need to do, if you are using the app, we just minimize the app and basically we head over to the roblox.com online account. So you sign in with that. And from here, we select create. And once you select the create button, you click on start creating. We click on the store option right here. And from here on the left hand side, we can see this all tools option. We click on that and select decals here. Click on this. Now you just search for the decal that you want to search or get the ID for. So for example, I want this decal. You simply select that and up in the URL bar, you can get this ID. We just copy it from here. And just make sure that you don't copy anything besides number like forward slashes and all. And you can use simply that ID anywhere you need, whether it's the Roblox Studio application or somewhere else. That's how you can get it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.